watch me now, then Sean Low. Let me tell them so now, me could tell them how we want make it go. Oi, to the top we roll it. Straight to the club, we are gonna break it down. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Drop that, stop that, everybody coming at the club, don't stop that. Let me see you just move on, everybody come groove on. You know what this about, every time Sean Low and then I'm come around. All of the girls them come gather round. We flying in on a flying carpet, the girl them we aim for them on the target. So this is no accident, the girl them know say me on the best billet. Yeah, to the left and to the right, everybody just come on, you know make a break this club like.
I get up on the work, got a lot to do. Work my ass up true, if you only knew. I get up on the work, got a lot to do. Work my ass up true, but tonight, but tonight, but tonight.
DJ Esquire here representing Brooklyn, New York. We're here in Croatia at the Gallery Club for the first grand opening of R&B Confusion. I gotta go back in the club, it's crazy, let's go.
Break that club. Break that club. Break that club. Break that club.
Let's take it to the club, you know how we do it live. Everybody's waiting for a breakdown. The weekend's gonna be hot, ladies take it to the top. I just wanna make you feel the heat, yeah. Working 9 to 5, not a weekend, yeah. Ladies, let me see you get too cool.
I get up from the work, got a lot to do. Work my ass up true, if you only knew. I get up from the work, got a lot to do. Work my ass up true, but tonight, but tonight, but tonight.
I love y'all, I gotta go, bye.